Here's one of our siding projects. What we've done is install vinyl cedar shake siding from Certainteed. We've also installed the windows and built the addition in the front. Job is coming along nice and smoothly. Homeowner is very happy. As you know, we besides siding, we install all types of windows, doors, and perform all types of home remodeling services. So give us a call today for your free estimate and consultation. Let us see what we can do for your home or business. Financing is available, so give us a call now. Thank you.